Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have very special shopping episode for today and I'm very excited because we are going back at Coach in Glorietta Makati. Yes, so we are going to check out what new Coach bags do they have. Plus guys, of course, I'll be including all the prices and all the details. And please make sure you watch until the end of our episode for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premierfi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, so we are here at Glorietta. So our first shop is Coach. So let's see if they already have new stuff. Hope you enjoy today's episode.
How beautiful is this Coach pillow, Madison, in blue denim. I love the Coach monogram and it reminds me of Coach 19. Such a really beautiful bag. We have here for 37,500 another Coach pillow, Madison. As you could see, you could double up the bag, wear it as a shoulder bag, and you could also wear it as a crossbody bag. So this pillow, Madison, is a shoulder bag and at the same time you could convert it into a bag. How cool is that? So we have here Coach Tabby wallet on chain. Love the burgundy color and the cute Coach logo as well. So we have here 30,500 a black on black Coach Tabby 26 shoulder bag. How cute is this all black detail? So it comes with a longer shoulder strap. You could carry it as a crossbody, you could carry it as a shoulder bag and as a top handle bag as well.
38,500.
So this beautiful bag for 38,500 is one of their new bag named Studio Bag, which is so beautiful in the mock croc leather.
58,500.
So for 58,500, OMG, how beautiful is this Coach bag here? I kind of forgot the name, but look at the braided leather shoulder strap that it comes with.
34,500.
So we have another studio bag for 34,500 in the canvas material with leather trims. Are you seeing the heart logos here? So cute. Very limited edition. We have here another studio bag for 30,500 in all black mock croc leather and black Coach logo as well. So you could wear it as a crossbody bag, but it's a little bit shorter, but that's okay with me, and you could carry it as a shoulder bag as well. We have here some beautiful Coach bags. Let's check out more beautiful Coach bags. So again, 38,500 for this very beautiful Coach Studio bag. So we have here different variation. Ooh, again another color. Love the blue. Another Coach Studio bag.
19,500.
So this one, 19,500. It's like a phone holder messenger Coach bag. Next, we have this very beautiful tote bag from Coach in denim canvas as well. Honestly, I am a fan of this very beautiful bag. It's very spacious. I love the crossbody strap that it comes with. You could carry it as a top handle as well. And I believe it has a magnetic lock closure. Love it. So this would be a very good everyday bag or a bag that you could carry with you at work. 26,500 for the bucket bag here. So we have different variation of Coach bucket bag. So let's check out this one again in Coach canvas. Look at the playful canvas strap that it comes with, and I also like that it comes with a top handle, so definitely you could carry this very different ways. It's another variation of the tote bag. Just look how beautiful it is, right? So it also comes with feet underneath, so definitely your bags will be protected. So again, only for 26,500. This one I wouldn't mind adding to my collection. So we have the soft tabby for 34,500 in leather and snakeskin trim. $15,000 for this very beautiful Coach swinger bag in the denim collection. Love this collection, guys. Really so beautiful. And honestly, guys, this would be a perfect and cheaper alternative to the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This one I super love. Definitely, I am lusting over this very beautiful Coach pillow Madison in denim. So it has a turn lock closure. The strap can be worn as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag. Just look at this very beautiful design, guys. And what I love most about this bag is the very generous back pocket. So I would love to insert my phone on that very beautiful pocket.
Ito, 10.5. Ay, ang ganda. Enamel siya. Tapos ano yung brass material ba siya?
Gold-plated po.
Gold.
10.5.
So trying Coach costume jewelry. So this one is 10,500. How elegant and chic this Coach bracelet is. Just look at this one. So combination of enamel and gold tone hardware.
Super elegant. 9,550.
So if anyone is interested, just look at this very beautiful Coach costume jewelry. Love it. Love the sparkles. So we have the 10,500 here. I'm very interested. I'm also interested in this one. Super beautiful. And honestly, they really look elegant and very chic.
There, how did you enjoy our Coach shopping adventure for today, guys? So me personally, I am also in love, aside from the Tabby Coach line, with the Coach Madison, the pillow Madison bag. It's so beautiful and it does remind me of a Coach Chanel 22. So what do you think, guys, among these very beautiful pieces that I've showed you for today? Which one is your favorite? Please comment down below. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here, so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!